Site selected is MSRTC Bus Depot, Mahabaleshwar, located in Satara district of Maharashtra. Bus enters the terminal, it would come across the arrival bay and drop the passengers, from where it approaches the sanitization chamber. The passengers will pass through a sanitization unit and be sanitized while their luggage is scanned, and then they depart by the exit. Adjacent to the sanitization units, provision of emergency medical room and ambulance is made for an infected person. A separate pedestrian entry for managing crowd, creating a less disruptive environment, is allotted. Extensive alley parallel to a green wall leads the way towards the pedestrian entry, organized by creating separate sections for men and women, each with a sanitization unit. ATM is provided and passengers can pass time while shopping for souvenirs. The pre-existing canteen is modified into a food court operating with QR code and buzzer system. The space is blended with an existing tree, which also provides opportunities to the stakeholders to expand their business. The structure has epoxy flooring throughout. Balcony area offers the passengers a place to sit and read with a view. Contours are preserved by converting the level difference into varied floors. The interactive staircase beside the escalator gives an uninterrupted view of the departure zone. Toilet blocks are provided on every level to prevent concentration of users. Ticketing counters are divided destination-wise with the help of landscaping barriers. Waiting area is split to cater to 6 different bays, where the furniture is compartmentalized to fit in the luggage. A recreational activity zone, designed to sustain the existing vegetation, caters to all age groups. After being disinfected by the UVGI rays, the bus either halts in their allotted bays or proceeds towards the workshop area. The bus is repaired and parked in the workshop area, while the existing fuel station supplies diesel to the buses if required. Exterior walls are cladded with aluminium composite panels. A discrete entry, parking and sanitization unit is designated for the terminal staff, which is connected to workstation area as well as the ticketing counter's back office. Provision of an apartment is made equipped with spacious balcony for the depot manager and his family. Lift leads to the administrative area, where there is a reception and waiting lobby with indoor plants, which further leads to the admin offices where small cubicles ensure social distancing. The break room, leading to a terrace garden for the terminal staff, acts as a breathing space. This is how we have incorporated the idea of post-pandemic situation in a modern design for a pre-existing bus terminal.